Welcome to a world where creativity meets nature. Here, in this tranquil garden, every sculpture tells a story of transformation and imagination. Today, we will walk together through spaces where discarded materials find a new life, where forgotten objects become artful expressions of beauty. Each sculpture whispers secrets of rebirth, of giving a second chance to the things we thought were lost. As we stroll along the garden paths, the gentle rustle of leaves will accompany us. The air is filled with the subtle scent of blossoms and the warmth of the sun, reminding us that creativity is all around, waiting to be uncovered. This journey is not just about creating sculptures from recycled materials, it's about embracing the peace and quiet joy that come from working with your hands, surrounded by nature's embrace. Let yourself be inspired by the colors, textures, and forms that emerge from this artistic alchemy. Take a deep breath. Let go of perfection. And step into a world where every corner reveals a story, and every sculpture invites you to imagine more. Welcome to this oasis of creativity and calm.